Okay, hi, this is Mary in Junction City, Oregon. I have the privilege of showing you a couple vans here today, so I want to highlight on one specifically. But right now I just want you to look at the pop top. So this is a Roadtrek. This is the Zion Slumber, and you can fit 2 kids or 2 adults up there easily. Lots of room. It's almost like you're in the treetops. You're in a little tree house, sleeping up there. You've got the breeze, and you just look out and you see trees everywhere. So it's like you're in your own little cozy tree house. And then just look at the height of this one. This is a soloist, and it's just not as tall. You just don't get the headspace. So you're going to get more ventilation. Both are good options, but the Slumber has just a little bit more. So let's come on inside and look at this beautiful van. So this does have the retractable step, which gives you a little bit more, ease of going in and out. It also does have this. This is going to be a great asset. So when you're coming in and out all the time, with like hands full, you don't want to be unzipping your screen all the time. So you just open that like a screen door. So come on in here and take a quick look. This is the Zion Slumber. It's wonderful. There's a lot of space in here. I do have the lights on in here, and the LED lights give a lot. So there's just a lot of openness here. This is your kitchen. You do have an extra counter space here. So I'm going to pull this up. I'm going to have prep space here. I'm going to have prep space here. You do get an induction. A lot of people are liking this induction. And they provide a microwave for you. So that's great. And then fridge and freezer. This is not something you get all the time in a van. So you've got a lot of space here in the fridge. And then a freezer up top. And then this is one of the features that I love in this floor plan. You have a huge amount of pantry space here. So you've got your big cereal boxes here, soups, snacks. You can just fit so much in here. Okay, so I have this in the down position. So this is a really comfortable bed, okay? I love this. I love that it's wipeable, so it's not cloth. You're not going to get the smells and everything. I have it like this. It's easy to sleep 2 people side by side, and you can get out easy and go to the bathroom, or you can slide across this board right here and fill it in with cushions and have a huge bed. So, and this is, your couch too. So you've got 2 seat belts back here for your kids, which are going to sleep up in the loft. Okay, and then lots of storage all the way around here. So you can open up these doors, put this screen down for a lot of fresh air. So that's a nice feature. And you do have a TV right here too. Nice closet space. A lot of vans don't have closet space. So this is actually a nice feature. Okay, so when I first came into this van, there was no power on or anything, so I turned the power on. Then I realized that we needed more, so I pushed battery number 1 on, battery number 2 on, and then I pushed the inverter on. So that gives me the ability to turn all these LED lights on. I'm not plugged in, and within 45 minutes, this freezer would be able to freeze. Okay, so the electrical system in this van is phenomenal. 600 amp hours of lithium battery. It's like amazing. So the inverter is completely quiet. You can't hear anything. And the car's not even running. So if you wanted to park in front of your kid's house, if you wanted to go off-grid camping, you can totally do it in this van. Okay, so let's look inside the bathroom. This is a complete everything that you need. Shower, toilet, small, but there's enough room to do everything that you need in there. So here's the ladder. This is going to fold in half, and it's going to stow away over here, and it's super easy to put back together and put up here. So I'm going to show you the up top part. It's very exciting. So here we are. As you can see, it's very roomy. I'm going to have plenty of room to lay down. There is plenty of airflow with my windows, and I even have one up above and another vent up here. I would have tons of airflow, and it's super cozy. I love it. There is a USB outlet right here, and then there's a little tray So I can put my phone, I can put my water bottle and my book that I'm reading right there. That's something that the other pop tops don't have. And then, if that's not fun enough, you have a skylight in this pop top. How cool is that? You can look at the stars, you can get fresh air. Super cool. Okay, so my name is Mary. I work here at Bish's RV in Junction City. If you'd like to give me a call and come and look at this Zion Slumber, please do. My number is 406-850-4590. Love to be able to help you and get you into this unit and any of the other units that we might have that you'd be interested in. All right.